the rhythm is like this and the content is like this, you are supposed to balance up where is this boy coming from and where is he going, and take it from there. That is it gonna be a good strategy to build the brand by claiming other people to be bad and making other people to be good. A creative man is motivated by the desire to achieve, not the desire to beat others. Which means if you want to build success by bringing other people down, your success is useless. What's up guys, and welcome back to another video in this YouTube channel. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, but also make sure you turn on post notification bell so that whenever I create videos you get to receive notifications. If you're a returning subscriber, then thank you so much for your support, and don't forget to like the video, and also don't forget to share if you can. So guys, in today's video I just want to talk about Medsi. I think you all guys knows and you know his background. I don't need to take time to discuss about this. The reason why I'm here, I just want to talk about the recent project that he has just released. I think you know there was some kind of disagreement, if I can say, an argument or whatever you can call it, but there was like kind of disagreement, I should say so, whereby Medsi had to leave from being managed by Dr. Namadingo and get a new manager. So what happened is that there's a lot of things that were circulating around the internet saying bad things about the doctor. Of course, by the end of the lane, Medsi had to apologize to doctor, saying, I'm so sorry for such what I did, but maybe I just used a wrong approach, of which people had to forgive him, and probably I think doctor also had to forgive him, because we know he's young, just had to understand him. So just as I said, recently he's released his project, but to the surprise, people have been surprised to see that him, instead of focusing building his career of music, he's released a song that talks bad things about the doctor. So you guys, I think if you're still following me from the beginning, I've been saying, and I'll continue saying this, that guys, if you are building your career by standing or talking bad things about other people, your success is useless. There's a certain author by the name Ryan Rand. He once said, a creative man is motivated by the desire to achieve, not the desire to beat others. Which means if you want to build success by bringing other people down, your success is useless. I'm not saying that Medsi is completely bad, but he just has to revisit his strategies, the way he's composing his songs, the way he's writing his songs. And on the other hand, I think we know that Medsi is still young. Whosoever is managing him, I think he's mature enough. He's been in music industry for some time. He just has to. He was supposed to know these things, that like if he's composed a song and the rhythm is like this and the content is like this, you are supposed to balance up where is this boy coming from and where is he going, and take it from there. That is it gonna be a good strategy to build the brand by claiming other people to be bad and making other people to be good? According to me, this is a wrong strategy, and they have to revisit it. In other ways, they have to put together the content before they release it to people, that they have to look into it deeply, like to analyze it, to digest it well, so that when they give it out to the people don't have to question it. Yo guys, I don't know if I'm right, but I'm just saying based on me. I think I just have to make a very good example. It's like I'm building a house. So if I'm building the house, I'm going somewhere and destroy someone's house to put it mine, which means I should be expecting that no matter that the owner of that old house has left, but one day is gonna come back to destroy that house and bring it his house again. In other ways, if you are doing something by bringing other people down, or by disappointing other people, or by accusing other people for you to become successful, your success means nothing. Yo guys, this is all that I had for you. If you think somewhere I missed it, let me know in the comment section below. If you've learned also something, make sure let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.